All right, so I have 5 different selfie poles here that are perfect for your GoPro or action camera. They all do something a little different, and well, let me show you.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus some coupon codes and a surprise link. And you might be going, this looks different. Maybe you're not, maybe you are. But yeah, I'll tell you about that on a future video. And the first one I want to start with, this is my go-to selfie stick when I just want to go out and put my GoPro or action camera on here. And one thing you gotta love about something like this is you have the action mount built right into it. And since it's not just on like a screw thread, it won't like easily fall off, which is what you want for a good action camera selfie stick. But if you notice, it is made of carbon fiber, so it's really lightweight, but really strong. It has an extremely comfortable grip, which is really nice on your hands when you're holding it. There's also a 1/4 thread mount on the bottom, and it also can extend out 3 extra feet. And it's telescopic, so you can kind of lock it in place anywhere in between just to get the right length that you want. You can pull it all the way out and then lock it in place, and that's not going anywhere. And this is what it looks like outside. You can kind of see, and this is with the wide angle, and you can see how far it extends out, and it looks really good. So it's perfect for travels because it's that lightweight, it's easily portable, and right now it comes in under $33 US. So check it out. All right, in keeping with that theme, they also have their 3-meter pole, or like 10 feet. This thing is phenomenal. Basically the same thing you get on the shorter stick right here. It's carbon fiber, it's really strong, really lightweight, really great comfortable grip, 1/4 thread mount on the bottom, and built-in action mount on the top, which is really important because I showcased a video using the Grav Grip and a 3-meter pole, and that was awesome. Like the shots that I got with this Grav Grip and the 3-meter pole look so good, but if you have a screw thread like some of the other 3-meter poles out there, unfortunately, the weight of it makes it kind of come off of it because it's a screw thread versus the action mount. So this will make a huge difference using your GoPro to get those really creative jib shots. And so yeah, using this outside, putting the action mount on it, I mean, not only can you just get up really high, but you can get in some really far out places that you couldn't go with any of these other selfie sticks. And because it's carbon fiber, it's a lot stronger. Some of those other long poles actually bend a little bit and you can see them in the shot. This one does not because it's so strong, and you can lock it in place anywhere in between where the other ones kind of just open up and out. This one is a great buy if you're looking for a really long selfie pole. I like it a lot. And you can pick this bad boy up right now for $65 US, but do check the link in the description because I also have some coupon codes as well, so you can save some money. Now, number 3 on this list is from Ulanzi. It's on the cusp of being more of a tripod over selfie stick. Well, it does have a really nice and solid tripod onto it, and when you fold it up, it is comfortable to hold. It's a little bit thicker, but it is comfortable to hold. And if you notice on the top, there's a quick release plate like that. So not only is it easy just to put your GoPro on, but if you use their other quick release accessories, well, you can just go from one mount to the other just that quick. And this thing extends out like up to 5 feet. Which is a huge distance, check that out. But because you have tripod legs on here, you can set this thing down, and for me, it's kind of up to my height. So it's a really great system for those needing a tripod and selfie stick, and that quick release system is also really amazing, highly recommended. And it's also kind of lightweight too, so it's perfect for traveling, and right now it comes in around $25 US. All right, jumping into the next one, and I've made videos of this one before. This is a 3-in-1 arm, and other companies do make this like GoPro, but to me, I found that this one is the best one. You get the selfie stick that pops out and up so you can lock it in place. So I can hold this out and you can't even see the selfie stick in my hand because it does such a good job with that. And this is what it looks like out of the office. I'm just walking with it. You can't see it in my hands. It looks really nice. But you can also even kind of flip this around and use it in some other creative ways. This part right here is also a floaty handle. So if you do drop it in water, you're not gonna have to dive too deep to get your GoPro back. This bottom part is really solid. You can put a wrist strap down here. It's also got a screw thread. And if you unscrew this compartment down here at the bottom, there are tripod legs hanging out in here and you can screw them on, and now you have a tripod as well. So it's a really good and versatile selfie stick. I love that it kind of makes it invisible because of the way it's angled. Now, some people might get this and go, it's a bit plasticky, but if you tighten it really tight, it's not gonna wobble at all. It's actually really solid. So it might feel cheap, but it's really nice, and also it's really lightweight, so it's perfect for traveling. And it only comes in around $35 with my coupon code. All right, and the last one I wanna highlight on this list is the Telesin tripod, selfie stick, and remote. It does come with a really nice phone mount, so you can put your phone on there, but because it has a built-in action mount, it makes it perfect for your GoPros or action cameras. It also extends out to about 4 feet, so it's a really good distance away, and if you just angle it right, you won't see yourself in it. This is what it looks like out of the office, so you can see, and it looks great. There's a little button at the bottom that says push, and the legs pop out. And it's nice that it has those tripod legs if I want to set it down somewhere. And this remote, you can actually start and stop the recordings. You can power it on, power it off, take photos, and even change to different modes. So it's really handy for a lot of reasons. And right now, this comes in around $38 US. So that's my list of really cool selfie poles that I enjoy. I wanted to share this with you. Which one do you like? Which one is your favorite? Let me know, drop a comment. If you have a selfie stick that you think is the best, also let us know that down in the comments too. But I hope you found this helpful. I have a lot to get to on this channel. As you can see, a lot of things are changing and doing some traveling and all of that stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.